Welcome to Austin Hardware. I'm Steve Klein, fastener specialist. Today, I'd like to talk a little bit about the Huck Magna-Bulb blind structural rivet. With the Huck Magna-Bulb, we're going to discuss a blind structural rivet that is designed to clamp together pieces of material very tightly and take out any gaps that are between the material. The Magna-Bulb is different than the Magna-Lock in that it forms a different backside. You have a large bulb formation, thus the name Magna-Bulb. And how this works, it has a very defined grip range. So you don't have a wide grip range, you have a very narrow one, but within that grip range, this blind structural rivet will clamp up as tight as any blind fastener can. The tooling is the same as the Huck Magna-Lock. There's no special nose tip needed, and like the Magna-Lock, the stem of the rivet will break flush with the flange, thus providing you with a higher strength blind structural rivet. I'm going to set one in a grip range that is within the specification of this rivet. I'm using the Huck BT46 battery tool. And there you can see the formation of the fastener. This type of fastener can be used in applications involving sheet metal where you can have no gap and where you need ultimate clamp up. These are used in the trucking industry for dry freight trailers, truck bodies, and they can be used in any metal fabrication application where you need high clamp up. Thank you very much.